Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today is Friday, December 6th. It's about 33 degrees outside, really cold. Speaking of cold, we're going to do a cold start and run video of our 1969 Honda CL350 Scrambler motorcycle. This is one of the best examples known to exist. Again, make sure to check out our full listing on our website at msclassiccars.com if you have not done that as of yet. So, not only is this a beautifully restored and correctly restored motorcycle, but it also has been done extremely well with the mechanical side of it, which, as most people know, is not always the case. So, I'm going to go ahead and start this here. Again, this is a cold start. I'll go ahead and show you my hands on the engine, the exhaust, etc. You don't really even need the choke with this bike. I'm gonna go ahead and what I'll do is I'll start it, let it run for a minute or so, and then I'll demonstrate some of the features, okay? Look how good that runs cold. Absolutely purrs. No smoke, it idles beautifully, it's been really well dialed in. It does have 70 miles. Listen to this. Corey, if you want to come over here with the camera, you can see that the neutral light is working. We have low beam headlight, high beam headlight, which the red indicator light on the bezel works. We also have turn signals, left side, which are in great working order. We also have right side, which are in great working order. And then, of course, we have the horn, which is in great working order as well. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. We appreciate you watching this video. Please remember to check out our website, msclassiccars.com. Follow us on social media. And you do not want to miss this bike because it's selling with no reserve on Monday. One of the best examples. Make sure you're there to bid. Have a great weekend. Rock and roll.